Hello, so my name is Matthew. I'm the head chef aboard Mischief. The most memorable seafood dish I've done in the beautiful Fiji Islands is some fresh caught crayfish, which is just absolutely magical. Presents so well on the plate, especially when it comes up from the actual ocean that you're in. Yeah, it's absolutely amazing produce, and there's so much to do with it, but just keeping it fresh and simple is always the best. A typical sort of Fijian dish that I do get very excited about is their local kokoda, which is like their sort of style of ceviche. Lots of coconut milk, just lots of good flavour, and such a simple dish, but so close to the Fijians that it's just really, really good and tasteful. Local ingredients in Fiji, which is really fun for chefs to play with. There's all their local fruits from the markets and things like that you can pair really, really good with the local seafood. So such things as pawpaw, you can get green mango, just an abundance of fresh fruit, and local foods is fantastic. With the seafood in Fiji, there's a lot of different ways and styles to cook it. They do lovo, which is cooked under the ground. There's just many different ways. Me personally, as a chef, I just like to keep it simple and let the flavour speak for itself. The fish is just excellent, so just simply pair it with simple ingredients and let it speak for itself. The difference between cooking in Fiji and anywhere else in the world is Fiji is just the people are so friendly. They're so loving. The ingredients are absolutely incredible. The fresh local fish, the farmers markets, it's just such a kind culture, and it's just such a pleasure to cook there in such an amazing spot. I guess a signature dish for Mischief in Fiji would have to be going back to kokoda and putting our own little spin on it as chefs, and maybe serving it in a coconut or things like that on a beach with a pina colada. Can't go wrong.
That's it.
Sick.
Man.